yo people, welcome back to One to Step YouTube channel, and it's me, Witchy Kevin, and this video is an ADP payroll. But before I show you guys how you guys can log in into ADP payroll, I want you guys to give you a short description of ADP payroll. So for those people who do not know ADP payroll is an American company which provides human resource management software. So if you guys want to manage your human resource, then basically you guys can sign up for ADP payroll. But if you guys want to know more about ADP, then you can visit its official Wikipedia to know more about it, alright? Because this is just a short description. Now let's get right into the video. It's on how you guys can log in into ADP. So follow the step which I'm going to be showing you. But before I show you the steps, I want you guys to hit that like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on, so you guys can get notified for a future video. And if you guys have any question, you can ask us in the comment. I'll be happy to answer you guys. Let's jump right into the video. So the first step is you want to search for ADP payroll on the search engine. After you search for it, you want to click on where it says login over here. After you click on it, it's going to take you to ADP payroll's login page. Now once you're over here, basically you want to choose which section you are and in which section you want to log in. So this is all the section of ADP payroll. So if you are like an employee, you can select which employee you are and click on it to log in into employee login. And if you are like an administrator, you want to choose from these options. For accountant, it's this option. For financial advisor, it's this option. So let's say I'm like an accountant, all right? I can click on where it says account connect. Once I click on it, I can go on where it says account login, all right? So after I click on accountant's account login, it's going to take me to accountant's account login page. Now once I'm in this place, first I need to enter my user ID. And after I enter my user ID, basically I need to enter the password. And after entering the password, I can click on sign in to sign in into my ADP payroll's account. Now if you guys forgot your password, you can always click on forgot your password to recover your password of your ADP payroll account. And if you guys want to create a new account, you can click on create account to create yourself an ADP payroll account. Now remember, I chose accountant login. That's why it took me to the accountant login page. Now if you guys are employee, you need to choose that appropriate option according to the sector which you want to log into. All right, do not choose like accountant login if you want to log in into an employee account. All right, you can't do that. So choose the correct one to log in into the correct one. All right, so hope you guys were able to understand today's video. If you guys were, then be sure to hit that like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on, so you guys can get notified for a future video. And if you guys have any question, you can ask us in the comment. I'll be happy to answer you guys, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye bye until then, have a nice day. It's me, Witchy Kevin, signing out, and stay tuned to our channel One to Step for future video.